AppSumo launched 13 new deals this week. Now, I'm going to tell you what they are in alphabetical order so you are updated on what's new. Now, I took a deep look at these tools and I ranked them according to what's really catching my eye and think worth buying. So you can check out my rankings in the description below. Now, while you are there in the description, you can also get free access to my private Notion doc of my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs. These are the top tools that I recommend that you can use to grow your business. I update this frequently, so you'll definitely want to get access. Biyond allows you to get crypto market insights and trading signals, even if you aren't an expert. It gives you research and analysis from professional traders and even data scientists. There's also an AI analyst that shares real-time strategies. Now, what's really unique is their Hawkeye feature, which finds promising new crypto projects before they trend. Lifetime access to Biyond starts at $59 for license tier 1. If you want the discretionary and quantitative trade blotter and also the deep dive discretionary analysis feature, then you would need to get license tier 2 for $200. Funnelforms allows you to build multi-step forms for your WordPress website. The forms help you collect better leads and guide users through questions based on their answers. Now, everything runs directly on your own server because it's on your own website, so your data doesn't leave your own website, okay? So what I think is really different is that, it never sends any customer data to outside servers, making it safer for privacy. Lifetime access to Funnelforms starts at $69 for tier 1. You can use it for only one website, but if you want to use this tool for more websites, then you can stack up to tier 4, which gives you 40 total websites. LaunchMyStore allows you to quickly create an online store for your business. It helps you add products, track sales, and manage orders from one place. You can connect with customers from around the world and use their built-in analytics to understand how your store is performing. Now, something unique is that it lets you run your own store from multiple warehouses at once. Lifetime access to LaunchMyStore starts at $69 for tier 1. Now, they are back on AppSumo with a new plan, tier 4 for $409. It increases all of your limits. So if you want that, then go for the highest tier, tier 4. MailVerify allows you to upload your email list, and this tool checks which addresses are real, risky, or fake. It can even spot if an address is from a catch-all domain, which most verifiers struggle with. So when you use this tool, you can get a clean email list you can send to your email platforms. The MailVerify lifetime deal starts at $69 for tier 1. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't include one of the most unique features, which is the catch-all email verification. So if you want that, you need to grab tier 2. So I think tier 2 is the sweet spot. And I think the credits are pretty decent as well for tier 2. Meiro allows you to create quizzes and tests from your own text, files, your own links, or videos. The tool also helps you add images to your questions with their AI. You also get real-time stats on how people do and collect leads directly from your quizzes. Now, unlike most quiz tools, Meiro lets you fully remove their branding for a true white label experience. Meiro is back again on AppSumo and it starts at $59. I would probably skip tier 1 because they really limit you, unfortunately. So for this, I would go for tier 2 or higher. Petrova AI allows you to upload job information and it screens the applicants for you. So it schedules and runs video interviews, then it gives you feedback on each candidate. The tool can even handle follow-ups and next interview rounds. You can even train its AI with your own company's materials to assess niche roles or unique skills you are looking for. So this looks like a brand new deal on AppSumo and it starts at $69. Now, I'm not a huge fan of how this deal is set up because with tier 1 and 2, they are pretty limited. And if you want the behavioral analysis, you would need to go for their highest tier, tier 5, for $609. I think this deal is really best developed for AppSumo Plus members because they get 10% off and you can use your $25 coupon if you have it. So if you are interested in this deal and you are not a Plus member, definitely get a Plus membership. You'll instantly get your $25 coupon and you'll get the 10% off as well. Poptics allows you to make pop-ups for your WordPress site that helps you collect emails and boost your sales. You can pick a template, change how it looks, and decide when and where it should show up. So as you can see, there are tons of different pop-up styles like bars, sidebars, and video pop-ups. This lifetime deal starts at $49, so a more affordable one. You can use this for 2 websites, and this is a really good deal. I really like how this is structured. Many of us can even go with tier 1. But if you want to use this for more websites or even unlimited websites, if you are an agency with tons of clients or different brands, then you can go for tier 4. SalesBlink allows you to send cold emails that actually reach people's inboxes. It helps you set up email sequences and follow-ups automatically. There's even a meeting scheduler, so you don't have to go back and forth trying to book calls. Now, one cool thing I noticed is that it can move emails out of spam folders into the inbox for you. SalesBlink is back on AppSumo, and this lifetime deal starts at $79. And this deal ends in 12 days, so keep that in mind. I've heard a lot of great things about this tool, so I think now is the time to get it. Now, if you want to access the white label, the agency portal, then you would need to get 2 codes. And if you want to bring your own API key, then you would need to get 3 codes. And if you stack 4 codes, then you will unlock the team reports. Seelab allows you to make brand and product images by describing what you want or uploading example photos. It lets you train the AI to follow your unique style or look. And then you and your team can edit, organize, and share images in one workspace, which makes it really easy. And what's cool, like what you could see here, is that you can replace or erase parts of a picture just by selecting the area and then typing what should go there. I believe this is a brand new deal on AppSumo, and this lifetime deal starts at $79. I think tier 1 is more or less sufficient for the majority of us, but if you want the custom models, then you would need to go for tier 2 or higher. This looks like a very interesting tool. This could replace many of the tasks that you use with Photoshop, so something to take a look at. SMS-it Connect allows you to run video meetings, webinars, and broadcasts. So it automatically captures leads and organizes them for you to follow up. You can sell tickets or access your sessions directly through the platform. And I think one really unique feature is that you can use AI-powered hosts to run your event for you. Even though this launched this week, it seems like it's already sold out. That's kind of weird. So unfortunately, as of this recording, you cannot purchase this deal. I'm not even sure if you should, because as you could see here, they really lock you out of tons of features, which I think is really odd, even with tier 4. If you want all of the features, you need tier 5. Socrates allows you to upload your documents like PDFs or Word files and ask any questions you want. So the tool reads through everything and then it gives you detailed answers with sources. You can compare multiple files side by side in a table for easy review. And one unique thing is its deep dive feature, which can break down really long documents and answer questions about very specific parts. I don't remember this on AppSumo, but it looks like it is back and it has some Really good 5 taco reviews. And this is a more affordable deal. Again, a more affordable deal this week. It starts at $39. Now, you don't get the unlimited OCR with Tier 1. If you want that, you would need to get Tier 2. And if you want the ability to share chats, then you would need to get Tier 5. UniScribe allows you to upload audio or video files or paste a YouTube link, and this tool turns the speech into text. You can export the transcript in different file types like text, Word docs, or even SRT files. And it also gives you automatic summaries, even visual mind maps, and key questions from your content. So what's really unique about this one is that it can make a mind map directly from your audio or visual. So a really nice way to kind of visualize your audio and video. Now, this is currently a Plus exclusive. So if this interests you and if the price interests you, definitely grab AppSumo Plus. It starts at $39 plus an additional 10% off. I think Tier 1 is fine, but if you want more limits, go for Tier 2. vidBoard AI allows you to upload a document, a link, or text, and the tool turns it into a video with an AI presenter. You can pick from over 100 avatars and use more than 125 languages. It even lets you add images, music, and voice to customize your video. What makes this tool unique and different is that you can make videos directly from documents like PowerPoints and PDFs and not just plain text. vidBoard AI is back on AppSumo, and this lifetime deal starts at $69. Now, if you want the voice cloning, you would need to get Tier 2. And if you want the non-voice videos, and this is a new feature that's added. So if you want this latest feature, then you would need to get Tier 4. Now, I ranked all of this week's deals according to what's really catching my eye and I think worth buying. So if you want to check out my custom rankings, that is down in the description below.